ganito yung matawa. I'm really enjoying the night.
Ganito na, pag natutuwa na siya talaga.
Guys, I'm really very, very happy to...
Pag sobrang saya na.
It's... Marami na.
O, sige na, kumanta ka na. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, my friend, Gary B.
Ganito yung sila. Yeah, guys, performing here in front of you tonight is really...
Ang tanang na sa akin, chika!
Ini-intro ka na eh.
Sabi niyo, Gary B!
Dagdag ka ng dagdag eh.
Ganyan naman talaga pag nagko-concert si Gary B.
Bakit?
Isang kanta, 3 oras muna nag-explain.
Alam mo lang! Grabe, no? Kaya pala overtime ang asap.
Sige na, Gary B.
Kung kaya kong iwan di na sana aasa pa. Kung kaya kong mas yeah, guys, before I continue my song, ladies and gentlemen, I'm so proud to call my party tonight here in Aswan.
Ano?
Aswan.
Aswang? Alam mo yung kasama niya sa Lundeng, bati na kami nun.
Hindi yung aswan na yun. Hindi ikaw yun.
Hindi yung
Aswan.
Tapos na yung issue niyan eh.
Tapos na binubuhay niyo na naman.
Hindi. Aswan.
Bati na kami nun eh. Ayo eh. Ayo nyo eh.
To be with us tonight, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome my partner, Martin Rivera. Hello, Martin.
Hi, everybody.
You guys, we would like to welcome you here and twist and shout.
Hello, everybody. This is my first time. Excuse me. We have first time here with my friend. I don't really bring. Welcome and also the host. Yeah, until now, don't you remember the penthouse here controlling together? And also people in hey, what's this building? I love it.
Let's sing, Martin.
What do you want to say? Okay, let's sing the song. My friend and of course our friend here. What's your name again?
Yeah, my name is... I don't know what to say.
I love it. No. Here we go.
What are you saying, Martin?
I don't know.
At syempre, bukod dyan, meron pa kayong mga nagagaya talaga.
We do a song.
Okay.
We do a song. My friend.
Okay. We do the song now.